It is time for one of my favorite lunches. Hello everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. Today I'm going to make some lunch, take a bagel and slice it in half. Some bagels come pre-sliced, these do not. And I'm going to put it in the toaster. And while that's doing the toaster, I'm going to grab some salad. I find salad in a bag very convenient. Just grab some and plop it on the plate. The only drawback is that it seems not to last as long as head lettuce. What I'm doing is making one of my favorite lunches, which involves taking and toasting the bagel and then putting turkey on top, sliced turkey, and then cheese on top of that and popping it in the broiler. So I'm going to turn the broiler on, turn that on high. Drop a little honey mustard on that. Take an apple and slice it up. This will go back in the fridge, along with the other stuff. The reason I toast the bagel first is that I like it crispy. If you don't toast the bagel first, the bagel gets more moisture in it when you put it in the broiler, and I don't like the texture, so I do it this way. Now we wait. And while I wait, I put things away. There's our bagel. Hot, hot, hot. Drop some mustard on. Just like that. Take some sliced turkey. Last of the sliced turkey, I'm gonna have to get some more. Little piece hiding out in here. I'll take some shredded cheese. Oops, but first, get my broiling tray. And put the shredded cheese on top. You can also use sliced instead of shredded cheese. That looks good. Take some of the escapees and put them on top. Okay, now we'll pop this into the broiler. And now I need to pay attention, because it takes about a minute and a half to get it to where I want it to be. But in that minute and a half, I'll put things away. In a minute, you really need to be paying attention to this because it can get out of hand really quick. take a peek. And it's getting there. Part of the timing is when you turn the broiler on. So that's been 2 minutes. Almost. Oh, it looks good. Ouch! Okay. That's how they come out. A little dark around the edges. The cheese nicely melted and just a little bit crispy on top. So that's today's lunch. Leave me a comment down below. Subscribe if you like. Click the little bell button to be notified of future episodes. And I appreciate you watching. See you on the next one.